Schreiber's continuously sequencing reactor is an energy-efficient activated sludge process that performs all of the process phases required to achieve biological nutrient removal in a single basin. The fundamental concept behind the CSR is to periodically change the environmental conditions in the basin to produce the three process phases, oxic, anoxic, and anaerobic, in sequence over and over in the same basin. The most prominent physical component of the system is the peripheral drive mixer, or rotating Schreiber bridge, which circles the CSR basin, traveling at about 3 feet per second. Although mixing must be maintained throughout all three phases, the oxic phase also requires aeration. When the control system calls for aeration in the oxic phase, remotely located blowers are activated to supply air to the diffusers. These diffusers are carried along the bottom of the basin by rotating the bridge. While providing continuous low-energy mixing to the mixed liquor-suspended solids, the bridge evenly distributes fine bubbles of aeration. Unlike many of the mixers commonly found in wastewater treatment plants, the CSR mixes the MLSS gently without wasting energy. Only 3 horsepower per million gallons a day are required to maintain proper mixing. Velocity control baffles positioned along the walls of the CSR basin aid in mixing by creating eddy currents at the outer edges of the basin. This also slows the horizontal velocity of the water relative to the rotating bridge, providing another source of low-energy mixing. During the anoxic and anaerobic phases, because no air is required, the blowers are turned off. The rotating bridge mixes the MLSS by continuing to move the rows of diffusers briskly along the bottom of the tank. Here, the diffusers double as mixing components, contributing to the overall high-energy efficiency of the CSR. Remember, in the continuously sequencing reactor, the 3 process phases occur in the same basin, but not at the same time. They happen sequentially, one after the other, and always in the same order: oxic, anoxic, and anaerobic. The CSR process is controlled via a PLC-based control system called Schreiber Flex Control. As the name implies, the system is very flexible. It is always automatic, but the parameters of adjustment can be reset as the demands on the treatment facility change. The system is designed to adjust the CSR process to accommodate variations in biological loadings. For simple situations, the phase durations can be controlled with timers. Under more demanding requirements, the Schreiber Flex Control System will automatically make real-time adjustments on the fly by monitoring specific concentrations in the basin, such as dissolved oxygen, ammonia, nitrates, and orthophosphates. The continuously sequencing reactor is easy to operate and easy to maintain. For example, it has been designed with retrievable diffusers for maintenance without dewatering. Also, all Schreiber equipment is designed to provide a long service life. For instance, the CSR has been crafted such that there are only 2 relative motion components, the center bearing and the drive system, greatly reducing wear. To sum up, the Schreiber continuously sequencing reactor is an energy-efficient, single-basin biological nutrient removal process. It's favored by operators for its ease of operation, as well as its flexible automated PLC-based control system. And maintenance crews appreciate that all CSRs are engineered and constructed for long life and ease of maintenance. The Schreiber CSR, built for today and tomorrow.